Hi students, in this class we shall be discussing harmonic mean from the chapter measures of central tendencies. Okay, so let us begin. What is harmonic mean? Okay, what is harmonic mean? Harmonic mean for a set of non-zero observations. For a set of non-zero observations, it is defined as the reciprocal of the arithmetic mean of the reciprocal of the observations. So, for example, if we have say three observations, say A, B and C, and we need to find the harmonic mean of A, B and C. So, then how to find this? First, there are three observations here, n is equal to 3, okay, number of observations is equal to 3. So, we will be putting 3 divided by the sum of all reciprocals of the observations, okay, 3 divided by the sum of all reciprocals of the observations, that is 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C, that is it. This is nothing else but the reciprocal of the arithmetic mean of the reciprocal of the observations, okay. So, first we find the reciprocals and then we find the arithmetic mean of the reciprocals and then we find the reciprocal of the arithmetic mean. That's it. Let us see the formula. The formula will be, suppose if we are having n observations x1, x2, x3 up to xn, then the formula will be n by 1 by x1 plus 1 by x2 plus up to 1 by xn, and this can be written mathematically like this: h is equal to n by sum of all 1 by xi's. That's it. The same thing. We, instead of putting plus, we use the symbol sigma. Okay. Now, in case if we have grouped frequency distribution, the formula just changes that each reciprocal will be multiplied by the frequency of the corresponding observations here. Okay. Say for example, if we have say 3, 4 and 5 and it has 3 is repeated 1 time, 4 is repeated 2 times and 5 is repeated 3 times. Okay, this is the frequency and this is xi. Then what we do here is, there are 3 observations, sorry, the total number of observations is 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 observations, okay. Number of observations is 6 and in this case is 6. Okay, so what we have here is 6 divided by sum of all frequencies into reciprocal of this, that is 1 by 3 plus 2 by 4 plus 3 by 5 frequency by xi. Okay, so this is your harmonic mean. When you calculate this, you get the harmonic mean. Okay, so that's it. Next, we shall discuss some properties of harmonic mean. So now let us discuss some properties of harmonic mean. Okay, what are some properties of harmonic mean? First property is that if all the observations are k, if all observations are constants, then the harmonic mean of the observations is also the constant k. Second property says that if there are two groups of observations, one with n1 number of observations and n2 observations, and suppose if the group having n1 observations has the harmonic mean as h1 and the group having n2 observations has harmonic mean h2, then the corresponding combined harmonic mean is given by n1 plus n2 divided by n1 by h1 plus n2 by h2. This is your combined harmonic mean equal to this value. Okay, n1 plus n2, sum of both the groups, sum of observations of, the total number of observations in both the groups divided by n1 by h1 plus n2 by h2. It's a simple formula we shall understand while solving problems. Okay, properties of HM. What is the third property? Third property is given that in case if you are having two observations A and B, then the harmonic mean of A and B is given by 2AB by A plus B. Suppose if we are having, say, find HM of 3 and 4, if we are asking, then what we are supposed to do here is HM will be equal to 2 times 3 into 4, 2 times 3 into 4 divided by 3 plus 4. Okay, so this is 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24 divided by 7. Okay, so 24 by 7, whatever value comes out as the decimal point, that will be your HM, or 24 by 7 is the harmonic mean of this, of 3 and 4. Okay, now the fourth property and the final property says that harmonic mean cannot be calculated if any variable assumes the value 0, because in that case, if any variable assumes the value, say for example, if x3 is equal to 0, then 1 by x3 cannot be defined. Okay, 1 by x3 cannot be defined. So therefore, any value is 0, then the harmonic mean cannot be calculated. Okay, if any variable assumes the value 0, then the harmonic mean cannot be calculated. These are 4 properties of harmonic mean. First property says that if all observations are k, then the harmonic mean is also k. If there are 2 groups, the combined harmonic mean will be given by n1 plus n2 divided by n1 by h1 plus n2 by h2. Okay, the harmonic mean for 2 observations A and B is given by 2AB by A plus B, and the harmonic mean cannot be calculated if any variable assumes the value 0. Okay, next we shall discuss the relationship between the previous 3 means. Okay, that is relationship between arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean. Okay, let us discuss the relation between AM, GM and HM. Okay, so the relation says that for any set of positive observations, okay, we will find the relationship only, or this relationship can be verified only if the values are positive, because for negative values GM is not defined, for 0 HM is not defined. So in that case we will discuss this relation exists only for positive observations, that for any set of positive observations we can have the following inequality, that arithmetic mean is always greater than or equal to GM is greater than or equal to HM. That is, in case of positive observation, the harmonic mean will be the smallest and the arithmetic mean will be the largest or the biggest. Okay, automatically GM comes in middle. Okay, so that's it. Next, the equality will hold only if all the observations are identical or constants. Okay, the equality sign will hold only if the observations are identical. This is the relationship. Okay, AM is greater than GM is greater than HM. Okay, it is equal if all the observations are equal. Now the next relationship says that the square of the geometric mean will be equal to the product of arithmetic mean into the harmonic mean. That is, GM square will be equal to AM into HM. Okay, GM square is equal to AM into HM. Harmonic mean into arithmetic mean will give you the square of GM, or that is geometric mean. Now practice problem 1. Okay, if there are 2 groups with the 75 and 65 as their harmonic mean and containing 15 and 13 observations respectively, then the combined harmonic mean will be given by dash. Okay, so this is a combined harmonic mean type problem. This is a problem based on combined harmonic mean. So what is that we are having here? We have 2 set of observations. Okay, that is set A and set B. So in the set A we have n1 number of observations, which is equal to 15, and in the set B we have number of observations as 13. Okay, the harmonic mean, that is H1, harmonic mean of the first group A is 75 and the harmonic mean of the second group is equal to 65. This data is given to you, correct? Now we are supposed to find the combined harmonic mean. Okay, this is the combined harmonic mean. We know the formula as n1 plus n2 divided by n1 by h1 plus n2 by h2. This is simple. Okay, so we can put that as like this. So it will be equal to, let us put this here. So what is n1 plus n2? This is 15 plus 13. n1 plus n2 divided by 15 by 75 plus 13 by 65. 13 by 65. Okay, so we can cancel this off. Say 15 into 5 is 75 and 13 5s are 65. So we have 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. So that is equal to, this is 28. So we have 28 divided by 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 is 2 by 5. Okay, so this can be further simplified as 28 into 5 by 2. You can use your calculators also. Okay, so this is 14 into 5. 14 into 5 and that is equal to 70. So we have 70 as your answer. Hope this type of problem is clear to you, how to find combined mean for the given values, combined harmonic mean for the given values. We shall consider more problems when we consider the special sessions. Okay, next problem, practice problem 2. Okay, what is the harmonic mean of 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3 up to 1 by n? So there are n observations, first observation, second observation, third observation. This is the nth observation. Fine. Now we know that what we do, we first of all find the arithmetic mean. Okay, it is defined as the reciprocal of the arithmetic mean of the reciprocal of the observations, right? So what we do, we will first of all find the reciprocals of all the observations and find their means. So reciprocals will be 1, reciprocal of 1 is 1, reciprocal of 1 is 1, then reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2, then we have 3, then we have 4, and then we have n observations. Okay, now what we are going to do is we will be adding all of them. Okay, and then we'll find the arithmetic mean. Sorry, there are n observations. So sum of n observations, we know that it is n into n plus 1 divided by 2, right? N into n plus 1 by 2. Next, what we are going to do is, here we already have n, 1 by n into sum of observations. So we have an n already here. So these two n's can be cancelled. So finally we have n plus 1 divided by 2. What is this? This is the arithmetic mean of the reciprocal of the observations. This is the arithmetic mean of reciprocals. Now we need to find the reciprocal of this value. The reciprocal of this will be equal to the harmonic mean of the given observations. Okay, so that is this value, that is 2 by n plus 1. Okay, hope you are clear. First we find the arithmetic mean of the reciprocals. First we find the reciprocals of the observations and then find the arithmetic mean of those reciprocals and then find the reciprocal again. That is the answer C, 2 by n plus 1. Next problem. Next problem is very important problem. Here we have, it's related to speed, distance and time. So here an airplane flies from A to B at the rate of 500 kilometers per hour and comes back from B to A at the rate of 700 kilometers per hour. The average speed of the plane is dash. We consider here in this case that the distance here is constant. From A to B or B to A, the distance remains constant. Now the speed is changing with respect to time. Okay, so here we will be using the harmonic mean. So here this value will be taken as A and this value will be taken as B. Okay, 700 will be taken as B. So now A will be equal to 500 and B will be equal to 700. Okay, we know that the harmonic mean of A and B, the harmonic mean of two observations A and B will be given by 2 times AB divided by A plus B. That is equal to 2 times 500 into 700 divided by 500 plus 700. Okay, so this can be calculated as 7 2s are 14, 5s are 70. Then we have 2 zeros, then we have 2 more zeros, and then we have 7 plus 5 is 12, then 2 zeros. These 2 zeros can be cancelled. Now 7000 divided by 12 will give you 583.33 kilometers per hour. Okay, so option B will be your answer. It is 583.33 kilometers per hour. Next problem, let us consider the next problem. Okay, if the AM and the GM for 10 observations, if the arithmetic mean and GM, here we have AM is equal to 15 and the GM is also 15. Okay, AM is 15 and GM is also 15, and there are 10 observations. N is equal to 10 observations. What will be the harmonic mean? What will be the harmonic? We know that the GM square is equal to AM into HM. Okay, we know that GM square is equal to AM into HM. So what is GM square? It is 15 into 15. That will be AM is also 15 and into the harmonic mean. Okay, so 115 can be cancelled and the harmonic mean will be equal to 15. So the answer is 15, option C. So we have this much for this problem. Next, so simple. Next, the harmonic mean for 3 observations. So this is the actual problem where we use the definition. Okay, we first of all find the reciprocals. 1 by 2, then we have 1 by 3, and then we have 1 by 5. Okay, then we add all of them and divided by, so that is n by n. N is equal to 3. N is equal to 3 and n is equal to 3. Okay, so that is what we do. We know that harmonic mean is equal to n by sigma of 1 by xi. Correct. So what is n? N is equal to 3 divided by the sum of all reciprocals, that is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5. So finally what we get here is 3 by the LCM will be 5 3s are 15, 2s are 30. So this is 30 and we have 2, 15 plus 3, that is 10, and 5. Into 6. Okay, so that is 25, 31 by 30, that is equal to 3 by 31 by 30. Okay, so this can be taken above. So that is 30 into 30 into 3 divided by 31, that is equal to 90 divided by 31. 90 divided by 31 is the value. What is 90 divided by 31? 90. 3 3s are 9. So it will be 2 point something, 2.90. Answer should be C, 2.90. We can check that 90 by 31, 90 divided by 31 will be equal to 2.9032. Fine. Okay. So this is for today's class. We shall meet in the next video. Thank you.